The placement board is a must-have tool for planning, organizing, and assisting in your extension application process. Built-in clips securely hold extension panels in place. The placement board is mapped into zones for easier planning and placement. A clearly defined stairway section, plus an optional angled or free zone, takes the guesswork out of planning where to begin your extension application. Use the placement board to plan any and all of the transformations shown in your education manual. The placement board is a must-have tool for planning, organizing, and assisting in your extension application process. To attach the hair placement board mirror attachments, firmly press each suction cup to each corner of the placement board. Then press the placement board firmly to a mirror. The placement board is sturdy, shatterproof, transparent, and easy to clean.